I'm Lori Dennis, one of your Lamps Plus ambassadors, and today we're visiting a very special home in Bel Air overlooking the San Fernando Valley in California. We have just finished a 6-month renovation that cost over $1 million.
When we first saw this house was not an attractive house. It was dark, it was gloomy.
Dark purple walls, heavy window treatments were covering all the natural light, and when you came in here, it didn't feel like California at all.
So I communicated with Lori my vision. I want everything bright. I want to feel happy here.
The first thing we did was turn everything to white, open up a lot of skylights. We lightened the floors up with natural French oak and took off all those heavy window treatments and let the sun shine in. There's so much natural light in here now, and it really feels like California.
And my style is more classy, chic with a splash of bling.
My client is one of the most stylish people I have ever met. She loves black and white. Here in the kitchen, you would never believe how dark and drab it was. One of the things we did to lighten it up was whitewash the brick. We have an open cage chandelier. It made it more clean and serene like the rest of the house.
So one thing Lori taught me was that fixtures, lighting, they're kind of like the accessories of the home. Just changing out all the lighting and fixture, she completely modernized the space.
And we used Lamps Plus throughout the entire home, turning it from drab to fab. Here we are in the lady of the house's home office. Natural light coming in and fantastic views, but I think perhaps my favorite piece of this room is the chandelier. It's got such great style and it comes in at a really reasonable price. When a home has history and good bones, you don't necessarily have to rip everything out. In this master bathroom, we had existing brass hardware. Instead of fighting with it and ripping it out, we decided to turn up the glam and make this bathroom chic. We brought in gorgeous white marble with gray veining and installed these spectacular brass sconces. When you walk through the home, you'll see different finishes on all the fixtures, and that's very intentional. It's okay to mix and match. If you like bronze or gold or satin nickel or chrome, do what you love. It'll give the home a collected look and it'll also be timeless.
My advice to those out there, 3 things. Number 1, lighten up the walls. Number 2, open up skylights where you can. And number 3, change the lights. Update them, modernize them. It was really fantastic trying to manage my home and renovate this house to be able to shop online.
All of the lighting in this house is Lamps Plus. They've been in business for 40 years. I've been working with them for 20 years, and it's just like we're family.